What's going on YouTube? This your boy Corey T, and I'm back with another video. The last video was a drawing, and once again, congratulations to the winners of the last video. What was it? I believe Cam ended up taking Thread Up stock for $40, and Angel ended up taking $40 for Bright Green. So congratulations once again to those guys. If they would have been in that community of the Discord, they would have had an 80 piece. But further ado, it's all good. And let me go ahead and hit on that while I'm on here too. The Discord, I'm gonna show you guys so you know I'm not playing. We have 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. We have 46 members, and that's not including myself. We have 46 members. It's only 4 more slots before the prices go up. So I just want to let you guys know, once we hit the 50 mark, there will be a new price to join the group. I hate to do you like that, but it is what it is. People not playing. They dropping knowledge. They dropping, like I said before, nuggets. They dropping information. They letting you know how to do this, how to do that. We're coming together. We're getting you right. So this video is to update you guys on my portfolio. So let's get right into it. As you guys can see, there's a big difference. I'm at 2,463 overall that I could cash out with currently. Yes, it did go down because I did cash out. I had water drop. Water drop was dropping. I did not panic. I'm gonna say that I did not panic, but I was looking at for what it was. I was like, hey, you know, I've been rocking out water drop for this long. Let me know what it feel like to take some profit. So here's a clip right here showing that, you know, I decided to sell water drop. The reason why I decided to sell water drop was because first off, it started to drop slightly, and I was like, you know what? That 52-week high was set at $3 and some change, $3.36, and it was already coasting at the $3 mark. So I was like, well, how long will it really take to get up 36 more cent? And I was like, well, am I willing to take that gamble? So I was like, you know what? Let me just enjoy it, not be too greedy. I already got a large amount, $1,200 in profit. So I was like, you know, let me see what I could do. Then moving forward, okay, it was like, well, once I take that out, am I gonna reinvest? Corey T, you gonna reinvest? What you doing? You gonna go to the mall and blow it and do something silly, or you gonna buy a new something, you know? I said, nah, I'm gonna put it to the side, but at the same time, I have been looking at another stock that I plan on investing in. The stock that I plan on investing in, I'm putting you guys up on wax before I even do it. Usually I do it, so y'all be like, okay, it's legit. He did it. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna follow his lead. But I'm telling y'all, this is my thought process. I got this collaborative stock here. And I've been doing research on it, and it's looking very, very promising currently. And I'm just say the reason why I haven't put the plug yet, I still have been trying to monitor and kind of see what it's going to do, because I don't want to, it's not really a mistake. I don't want to make a mistake, but it's like, I want to make sure I make the decision that I truly want to make when it comes to it. It's looking really good. So I just want to throw that out there now. And like I said, I'm about having 1,000 shares. So if that stock price go up to that $1, $2, $3, that's a rack off rip, a rack, a stack, a band, or whatever you want to call it, wherever you're from. You know, that's how I see it. So I got 38 shares. If I buy in, drop in, let's say 450 from my 1,200 that I got from water drop. All of it is profit at the end of the day. So this 450 ain't even hurting my pockets at all. So that's why I be telling y'all, like, you know, you put a large amount in and you get something out, you take that out, take your profit out, throw it back in there. It's easy. Just keep rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat for real, because then you can, you know what I'm saying, go to the next thing. And if I put 450 in, that'd be my 1,000 shares right there. On top of the, you know, the 38 shares that I already have. So you can do the math. I'm not gonna do the math for you, but I think these guys are up next. I'm just throwing that out there. And they have been, people like, wait a minute, Corey, they all time is you know, 95% in a year. This stock is about a year old now. It's 95%. The month went to 22, the week went to 16, and the day went to 2. Come on now, do y'all see? Okay. I'm sorry, I'm jumping the gun because I'm thinking about it from my perspective. Check it out. If I went from 95% down, and then to the month I went from 22%. Let's do it. 95 minus 22. That's a 73% difference within a month. Then you're talking about a week. So you go from 22 to 16. I mean, I could do that in my head, but why? That's 6. And then you go from 16 to 2. It's 14. Come on now. What do y'all see where I'm going with this? It's a backwards change in a sense. The drop was major when it first started dropping. It's dropping as the month and as the week and as the day go by. It's turning around. Like, you can't see it, you can't physically see it, but you can see it in a sense. That's one thing you guys can kind of look at. That's another little tip that I, was ready to share to you guys. If you looking at, the graphs and you trying to figure out, okay, well, how do I read them? That's a good indication. Like, hey, this stock might be turning around. Not always. Once again, I am not a financial advisor. Let's throw it back out there. I'm not a financial advisor. I am not a financial advisor. But it's a good indication that says, hey, this stock first came out. It was at a certain point. It dropped down. Okay. And now it's doing this. Like, it's straight vibing. So it gets to a point like, okay, well, damn, hold up. I'm going to check that out, Corey T. Hold up, Corey T. I'm going to check that out. It is going up. It's not going up as fast as most people like, but it's going up. So, and then let's go to this right here. I like to, y'all know I'm a Google fanatic. I typed in stock prediction just to kind of see what they say. 8 analysts offering 12-month price forecast for, whatever. Have a share target price of $3. So even if they like, okay, it might get to $3. Hello, if I have 1,000 shares, 1,000 times 3, that's 3 bands off what? 450? Come on now. Come on, keep up with me now. Keep up with me. I'm trying to get you right. But let me go to the 52-week high. 52-week high is 1250. That's way more than 3. So who knows if it even gets that high in 52 weeks. And let's see, 5 days, it's still been dropping. So the reason why I haven't put the plug yet, because I still think it's going to drop slightly, and then it'll start to do the whole turnaround phase. I honestly just might go ahead and commit now, but because today it was at a 2%. Tomorrow, if it go to like a 1%, it's a guarantee. Like, okay, let me show y'all now. 2.38. If tomorrow hit 1, tomorrow, let me give y'all a date. February 15th. If it hit 1%, and I mean like at the end of the day, like throughout the end of the day. So I might even just watch it if I don't just go ahead and pull the trigger on it. I might just watch it, and tomorrow if it's that 1%, I'm doing it because I can see the pattern already happening. My biggest fear is tomorrow it shoot up and I'm like, man, why didn't I go ahead and just do it? But that's the game we play. Y'all know how we get down. So yeah, 52-week high, 1250, a 52-week low, 18 cents. You got to take that in consideration. And if you do, 1250, let me make sure I got these numbers right. 1250 plus 0.18, take your average. You got an average of 6.34. They said 3. That's a good 3. I'm gonna say it like that. That's a good 3 because if the average is 6 for the 52-week, 6.34 for the 52-week, and they got an average of, okay, the target price of $3. Why not? And that's just minimum. Come on now. Don't just go for this. Please don't just go for this. This not, I'll bring this to y'all because it's like easy. It's right in your face. It's like, okay, I see where he kind of coming from. But I want to say this. Go to the website. Go to their website. Learn about what they do, what they sell, how they move, how long they've been around. They stock brand new, but how long have they really been around? What do they do? What do they entail? Get into it. I don't make my videos to go into that side of the stock and the companies and all that because I'm not gonna. That's just not what I'm here for. I'm here to show you guys how to really get to it. But And then I know this video will drop. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. Don't go be like, oh yeah, of course, Ed, go put money in this, and he finna put money in this, and he might do. Don't do that. Don't do that. Do what your heart desires. Do your own research. I would never tell you guys to go invest in any stock. And yeah, I would never tell you guys that. I would just say, hey, this is what I'm doing. This is what I'm thinking about. Let's get it right. I do have to say that multiple times because I don't need no miscommunication or misinterpretation, I should say, from you guys. But inside the Discord, hit the line, man. Hit the line, because I'm gonna tell you what it is off rip. What else we got? And in regards to the other pieces of my profile, I'm on 6%, by the way. Let me go ahead and wrap this up. We still got Sono Group. I'm still rocking out with them. Sono been coasting at this 90 cent for quite some time. And let's see, then they in a month 18, 4, and 1. They doing the same thing. So they on their way to turn around as well. And like I said, that's not always 100%, but it is a good sign. I can show you another example. Your people at SWVL. SWVL, once again, it's not available on Cash App anymore. They took it off, but you can go to Webull and check it out. But they are doing the same exact thing. 60% from 90. And then it went to 23%. And now look where they at. 0.84. They going up. So you telling me if I would invest it here, from now, this SVWL might be going up. Just check it out. Hey, get a Webull account, even if you don't use it. These are for my people. Get a Webull account. Check out how to read the graphs and all that stuff. It's pretty complicated, but it can be done. The app is very useful. It gives you the 52 Kai. Everything is like simply right there. But I just use it as a secondary resource. Cash App is still, to me, the most user friendly. But see, the thing about Bright Green is the industry that it's in too. I want to say this. Even though it's going down now, and that's an interpretation. Even though it's going down now, don't be fooled. Don't be fooled, because it can shoot back up at any moment. That's with any stock. So that's that. And let's see what else we got. We got Kroger. I'm down $29 on that one. So, and Kroger went up 62,000 all time. So that's that. 5, 4, 1, 2. So it's still trying to find its place. Just that's just a different, technique and method. Like I say, don't always just go off the percentage. Oh, the percentages are going the opposite way. It's going to go up soon. Like I say, don't take that with a grain of salt. Like really kind of, do your research and understand that that's not the 100% way of looking at it, but it's a good technique and a good way to try to understand it a little bit better. So with that being said, I'm currently up $428, and that is, I think I'm gonna leave y'all with that. I think I dropped down I broke down a little knowledge today. I broke down a little something. So yeah, I will be looking to invest in this guy. Like I said, to get that 1,000 and see what happens from there. But if that come up tomorrow, 1%, Discord, you probably would be the first to know. And then I'll probably be on here making another video like, hey man, I told you so. Or if not, I'm not even that type of person to be like, oh, it did exactly what I said. I'm not that person, but it just feel good to know that if it does go there, y'all will know. But with that being said, man, it's your boy Corey T. Thank you for sliding through. And yeah, I think that's what I got for y'all today. Hey, happy Valentine's Day, and y'all rock out.